March 31st, 6 a.m. Before you even have your morning coffee, you check your phone. One new email. The sender, human resources. The subject, important company update. By 6:01, your badge doesn't work, your access revoked, your email is locked. A 20-year career was destroyed while you were still in bed. This just happened to about 30,000 people at Oracle. Analysts estimate between 20 and 30,000 globally, but Oracle hasn't confirmed a total yet. But if you think this was a layoff, you are missing the real story. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why Oracle targeted who they did, how the machine works, and the 2 moves you need to make today before that email has your name on it. Hi, I'm Terry. I spent 20 years running multi-million-dollar strategic programs for Fortune 500 companies. I've had to decide who stays and who goes, and I've been on that list myself. So I share what actually helps keep you off of it and how to recover if you do end up on it. All cited sources in this video are in the description. Let's get into it. This wasn't a downsizing. This was an asset liquidation. Oracle is carrying $124 billion in debt, and they also are building a $300 billion AI project called Stargate. They didn't fire 30,000 people because performance was poor. They fired them to pay for the machines. They traded your experience for a data center, and Wall Street loved it. The day those 30,000 people lost their jobs, Oracle's stock price went up 6%. Your company is watching, and they are learning that the market no longer rewards family, it rewards efficiency. To fund Stargate, they need cash. Your salary is that cash. If you're a mid-career professional earning 6 figures in a support or execution role, you are no longer just an employee. You're a high-cost liability. In the AI world, your experience just made you expensive. Reports from Business Insider confirm the emails hit before the employees could even log in. Many of these people had exceeds expectation on their last performance review. They did everything right. It didn't matter. When a company pivots to AI, they don't look at your performance. They look at your function. If your function can be handled by a machine that costs 5 cents an hour, your flawless execution is irrelevant. You are a line item being harvested to fund a data center. Before I get to the defense moves, drop a comment below. Is your company using AI transformation as a reason to restructure? Are you seeing the signs? I read every comment, and your insights might help to reshape what we cover in the next video. The best defense is a good offense. Here are the 2 moves you can make today. Move 1, the evidence log. The moment Oracle sent the email, those 30,000 people lost every receipt of their success. Performance reviews, non-proprietary project metrics, praise emails, all lost. Move your receipts to a personal, secure location tonight. If they cut your access tomorrow, your leverage goes with it. Move number 2, the strategy pivot. Stop being the person who does the work. Start being the person who directs the AI to do the work. If your value is execution, you are a target. If your value is strategy, you're a survivor. Oracle just proved that 20 years of loyalty can be destroyed in one bulk email at 6 a.m. The market doesn't care about your tenure. It cares about your relevance and your price tag. Right now, you're either an asset or a liability. If you can't answer which one you are, that's your answer. Oracle is just the first domino. The truth is, the entire 2026 job market has been redesigned to work against you. Most people are navigating a rigged system with a 2019 playbook, and that's exactly why they're getting liquidated. The market no longer rewards your loyalty. It rewards your strategic visibility. If that 6 a.m. email hits tomorrow, you cannot start from zero. You need a system that pulls you into high-level conversations while everyone else is begging for ghost jobs on a portal. Your LinkedIn profile has to stop being a resume, a target for elimination, and start being a weapon. I've mapped out the exact offensive defense setup to turn your profile into a tracking beacon for opportunities. You need to watch that strategy next to see how the game is actually played in 2026. Watch this right here. I'll see you over there.